Hello dear student, this is Palash Chakraborty, assistant teacher, Square High School and College. Welcome to my class. This is for class 6, subject English first paper, textbook preparation, lesson 8. Here we have seen a picture of a grocery shopping. So now, what do you see in the picture? What experiences of shopping do you have? What do you usually do before shopping? So now read the passage and the dialogue below. Some guests will visit Imran's house tonight. So Imran's mother will cook dinner for them. She asks Imran to go to local market. He often forgets to buy the necessary items. So his mother is making a shopping list for him. He is helping his mother to make the list. So now read the conversation between the mother and son. Imran: Mom, what do I need to buy? Mom: well, see if we have enough potatoes. Imran: we have some potatoes, but I don't think it's enough. Mom: then get half kilo of potatoes. How about tomatoes? Imran: I don't see any tomatoes. Mom: are there any other vegetables? Imran: yes, there are some beans, carrots, cucumber and eggplants. That's all. Mom: well, I will need 1 kg of tomatoes, half kg of beans and 2 cauliflowers. Imran: are there any eggs, dear? Sorry, it will for Imran's mother, that mom. Okay, so now Imran: okay, so there are only 3 eggs. Maybe I will buy a dozen more. It's Imran mom's. Okay, so oh yes, get some sugar and milk and 1 liter of oil too. Imran: okay, 1 liter of milk and 1 kg of sugar. Mom: one more thing, dear. You are forgetting your list. Here it is. Mom: Imran: so oh thanks mom. So this is all about the conversation. So we have so many conversation in our textbook. So read all the conversation and practice with your friends or with your family. Okay, so now read the text and answer the following questions. So here it is. Amartya Sen is an Indian economist and a Nobel laureate. He was born in Shantiniketan, India on 3rd November 1933. Amartya Sen's family was originally from Uwari, Dhaka. Sen began his high school education at St. Gregory High School in Dhaka 1941. So he took his BA honors in economics from Presidency College, where he earned first class first. He earned a first class BA honors in pure economics in 1955 from Trinity College, Cambridge. He took his PhD in economics at Trinity College, Cambridge in 1956. He taught in different famous universities of India, England and America, including University of Calcutta, Delhi School of Economics, London School of Economics, University of Oxford, Harvard University. So he received the Nobel Prize in Economics for his work in welfare economics in 1998. So this is all about the passage. So here we have so many informations. So just look at the informations carefully. Now complete the following table with the information given in the passage. So here we have 3 columns: degree, institute and year. So BA honors in economics, BA honors in pure economics, PhD in economics. So you have to pick up the information from the passage and put it in the blank A, B, C, D and E. You will have 5 information from the passage. Okay, so this is your homework. So you have another homework. So match the parts of sentences given in the columns. So here we have 2 columns, column A and column B. So in column A, A, B, C, D, E, we have 5 sentences. All of you have heard he was very, he was the financial condition. In column B, we have of his father was not good, meritorious too, a very learned man, the nature of the name of Vidyasagar, very much industrious. So you have to match the sentence from column A and column B, and you have to make a complete sentence. So this is your another homework. So you have 2 homeworks in this video. So complete your homework and send it to my personal ID within 2 days. So thank you for watching my video. Thank you for your patience. Just practice more and more model question from your advanced learner communicative English grammar book and composition. So I will take so many feedback. Thank you. Stay safe and be blessed. Thank you.